Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to create Notion API key for your applications so you can connect Notion to your web apps or different softwares. For this, go to the Notion, scroll down, you find settings, and here click on the connections. Here you can see my previously created connections. I would like to create a new one, and here you have two options. If your application is online, you have to go to this section, which is asking you different type of information for your website, such as the URL of the website, the privacy policy URL, and so on. While what I would like to do now is create a connection for my internal development. I'll click on create a new integration. I give it a name, and we have to associate a workspace to it. Click create, and this is the main step. You can go to the configuring integration settings. Here you can find the internal integration secret, which is the API key that you would like to have. Uh, you can click on the show and copy it. This is just for the testing, so I will delete it later. And this is the main thing that you need basically. Here you can also modify the accessibility of the API to different read or write of the contents, or even you can change its accessibilities to the comments. If you're okay with everything, you don't need to do anything else. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.